Okay, I'm going to be showing you how to make the home folder launcher on your Caro dock. Caro dock, I'm pretty sure it doesn't offer this, so, well, at least I haven't seen it. Because usually if you drag your home folder or any directory into the dock, it'll create like a little application applet, and it'll basically be like a stack or a slate kind of a thing. It looks cool, but I don't really like it. I just rather have a little launcher. So in order to do this, you have to right click on your desktop, go to create launcher. Now give it a name, so I'm going to just call it home. And the command is nautilus, Nautilus, space, I believe it's / home, home, / and your name, the username that you use, followed by a /. If I probably have one too many slashes, so let's see. Press OK. Double click it. Okay, I'm right. Okay, that's correct. So now I just made a little home folder launcher. Now, as far as the icon, I'd rather use something else, of course. So I'm going to go to properties, click on the little icon here, and I'm going to use my default icon set, which is what I'm using now, which I prefer to use the Fenza theme. So let's go to the file system, user, USR, share, icons. Now Fenza. Okay, now we're going to go to places, Scrabble, or whatever you call that thing. Now in here you can see all your multiple distros. See, there's Arch, Debian, Ubuntu, Fedora, Mint. So it really does, if you're using SUSE or Mandriva, you can do this trick too. So I'm just going to stick with Ubuntu. Hit that, close, and there you go. There's your little launcher. So you double click it, and it launches. Okay, so it's kind of similar to the Mac OS X, how it has the the Finder folder. So that's what I kind of like about it. Okay, now I'm gonna save this just in case, because I don't have to go through all them steps to to remake it again. So I'm probably gonna end up throwing this in my folder, my icon folder, my dot icon. So Control H dot icon, and I'm just gonna drag it in here. And that's just like for safekeeping, I guess. Okay, so that's done. Now, as you can see, I have a subdock here, and this is my graphics subdock. But what if you want to add another one? So I'm going to add another one, and I'm going to use it for my games. So if I ever add any more games, I can just drag it down to my dock. So I'm going to right click on the dock, go to where it says Caro dock. I'm sorry, right click and go to add. It should say subdock. So I'm going to add a subdock. Now, right here where it says new subdock, that's the title of it. So I'm going to call it games. Games. Okay. Now, it's asking you, how do you want this to be drawn? And it's what it's asking is about the icon here. How do you want this, subdock to be represented as? So I want to use my own image, so I'm going to use that. Now I got to browse for that image, and again I'm going to use the Fenza theme, and you see right here how on the game icon has a little control pad. I'm going to look for that icon. So let's go open. Let's go back to my file system again, go to USR, user, share, icons, Fenza. Now it should be under apps. No, it's not apps, it's categories. This whatever how you pronounce this, with the thing with the S. Now it's in here. So look, there it is. I just found it. There it is. Applications, games. Click on that, hit apply, and quit. Now I got my little games subdoc. Now from here, you just drag your launchers or applications, however you want to call it, into here. So I'm gonna put my little Super Nintendo emulator in here for Mario Brothers, of course, and Mario Kart. Love that game. And what else? G-Brainy's cool. I like G-Brainy. Drag that in here too. Now you got your little subdoc. So that's that on that. And I'm gonna be showing you how to deal with the trash can, because that's sticking out like a sore thumb. The same idea, you know, browsing for the icon folder, but the empty trash and full trash icon are in two different places. So I'm going to show you how to get to that in a moment. Well, I'll do that for my next video, because I just want to give you the basic idea of how to make a launcher and how to make a subdoc. And I guess with the trash bin, I'm just going to be going through some, you know, some cleanups, I guess, some loose ends. So that'll be my next video. So thanks for watching.